Okay, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be going over. Yobel wanted me to go over add these to the course, so this we're gonna be going over. Support and resistance is the first one. So basically, you can take this on any stock. I just had this one open because we've been trading it this week, but let's look at basic support and resistance. Um, so on the monthly chart, here's some basic resistance. These are key. This is the 9-day. You get the 9-day bounce like it did, or you can get the 26-day bounce. Um, this is monthly resistance. You always should look on the monthly chart, see where the candle is. Um, then you can go over the weekly chart, and right here, see this candlestick? That's basic resistance. It comes down to resistance right here, came down to resistance right here, and then it sits. What support is? Let me show you guys. What support is? It basically this is resistance and support. So basically, when the candlestick sits on the resistance, that means it is sitting on support. So when it's sitting on support, like this is a bearish bullish hammer. Basically, when you see this, what that means is you're going to see a uptrend in the stock. And once you did, it did uptrend. And then this shooting star, this is the high resistance. You can clearly see that from the wicks from before. And then it came back down. Now, last week, this is why I called this in the alert room. This is basic support. It came to a low, came up, came back to the low. Got to get the buy-in, and we're taking it up. How did you know to buy it, though? Okay, let's check this out, guys. I teach this all the time. Got to look at double bottoms, double tops. This is the most basic thing in trading. Let's just take off Ikumochu because it doesn't matter at this point. So here, let me show you. Boom. Actually, there's actually a lot of double bottoms here. So right here. Let's start it here because you can see this connection right here. So boom, top hit, boom. What's this? Boom. That's a double bottom. And then usually at a double bottom, you wait for the next day's candlestick. If it holds the resistance or holds the support, they'll take it back up. And then what did it do here? Boom, boom, another double top. So if it didn't break this resistance right here, let me delete some of this because it's a lot right now. Okay. So if it didn't break this resistance right here, what we're going to say is, oh, it's a double top now, and then we'll take it down to support. Now, this is a new level of support, so no one would have known to enter this. But you see it coming back up, boom. That's a triple top. Now, if it doesn't break this support, we can take it down. So you can take it down for another sell. And then what do you see here? This is another support because it's a double bottom again. So we took the double bottom and we're going to take it up to a new high. I actually don't think it will break past any of this. So we're going to take it up here and then take it all the way down because we can see this is something I've learned while trading. Oh, what happened? So what we can see, let me show you guys, delete all this junk. So what we can see, guys, is that the market is making higher lows and lower highs. So basically what that means, if you guys didn't learn this, is that the market is slowly fluctuating down. You can see where this blue candlestick is right here, blue one. Wicked up, but that doesn't count because it didn't fully wick. So this is where the wick ended. this is where the wick ended. This is where the wick ended. So basically what that means is the market will not trend up higher than this. So we're going to, it's going to come up to here, take a bounce, and then it's going to slowly, casually go down. Because you can see, after the first bounce, it started going like this. And what that is it's making lower highs and lower lows. You guys understand that? So this is if you never heard of this, look it up. It's called Divergence. But this is a good thing to note, that to understand when the trend of the charts are changing. Just like here, you know. So we got the high, and then boom, the double top, and then it was slowly trending down for the lower lows. Okay, you see what I'm saying, guys? And now what we can look for this, because this honestly, right, it's April, so we're gonna take this all the way up here, 136, and then we're gonna look for a big short on this company. You know why? There's a lot of things going on in this company. Fundamentally, they are losing money. So we'll take this up, and then we're gonna take this all the way down. And then how do I look for like option positions? Here, let me go to my Robinhood account, because I got that much money in there. But let me just show you. EHTH. All right. So how do we look for long positions? So we got a call on here. How did I know to get in? Well, when I got in, it was at like 0.7. Okay. I look for contracts with low implied volatility, which is it's above 60. This is pretty high. Also look for cheap calls, because the cheaper the calls are, the more percentage you make. So it doesn't really matter. If you're in like one of these calls, it literally has to get to here. But if you're in this, it literally has to get $5 and you're gonna make 100%. So the farther out the money is actually good if you can guess price action for a previous day. But for the puts we're looking at, the 135, we would have to look at these. So 12, probably minus 1,000. Okay, never mind. What am I talking about? So minus like $800, because that's where it's gonna be. 50. So let's see, it's moving by $75. So you get to do. I probably want to get these. So these right here, these 50s would probably be this right here. So 350, $75. This is a long trade, 21st. Yeah, that actually seems like a long enough date for this thing to short out. But yeah, that's how I understand price action and support and resistance. If you want me to go over, I'll probably go over more stocks with you guys. This is just a long video on it. I'll probably end it here. But we'll be going over more support and resistances, price action, high lows, and all that in later videos. So just, yeah.